Hi guys, how to create this modern fashion photography poster design in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, create a new document with a white background. Go to File New, choose your preferred document size, and click Create. Next, go to Layer New Adjustment Layer Gradient Fill. Choose a gradient that matches your design style, enable Reverse, and click OK. Now select the Curvature Pen tool. In the Options bar, set the Mode to Shape, disable the stroke, and choose a green fill color. Then draw the desired shape for your poster background. Add another shape at the top corner of left side. Next, hold Shift. Select both Shape 1 R shape. 2 layer right click. Select Merge Shapes. Now enable Satin with these preferred setting for shape layer. Next, go to File Placed Embedded. Place your subject image into the document. Go to Select Subject to automatically select the subject. Once the selection is complete, press Ctrl+J to copy the subject onto a new layer. Then hide or delete the original image layer. To make the design more interesting, add a few circle shapes using the Ellipse tool. Hold Shift while drawing to create perfect circles. Once you're finished, select all of the shape layers while holding the Shift and then right-click and choose Merge Shapes. Also add the satin for circle shapes. Now time to set position of the subject on the right side at top of the shapes. Use the Move tool and press Ctrl+T to place the subject in the center or slightly toward the top for a clean editorial composition. Finally, it's time to add your typography. Choose any font that matches your design style. Add your main title and supporting text. Then adjust the font size, colors, spacing, and alignment until you're happy with the final layout. And that's it. That's how you can create a stylish fashion photography poster design in Photoshop. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe NETTO, and turn on the notification bell for more Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.